My name is Danielle, and I am the Assistant Property Manager here at the Julian Apartments in Columbus, Ohio. The Julian began as a women's shoe factory that opened in the early 1920s. They were in business until about 1974. We came in and we finished renovating this building and opened it as an apartment complex in 2015. Down here you'll see our lobby area. There is free Wi-Fi. We have our complimentary coffee machine as well as our mail area. All doors will have security code access. Walking through the hallways of the Julian, you'll see a lot of original characteristics from the factory building, including wall metal bits, as well as original brickwork and photography taken before we started renovating the building. Each floor will also have a common space on the east side of the building. There is no Wi-Fi in these spaces, but we do encourage people to come out, sit down, relax, and check out a different view. Each unit comes equipped with a stackable washer and dryer. However, we do also have a laundry room on site for larger loads and bed fittings. These machines are also free to use. We do host social events for our residents at least once every other month. Sometimes it'll be as simple as a happy hour. Other times we host larger events like the 4th of July Red, White, and Boom on our rooftop deck. Our rooftop deck comes equipped with tons of seating as well as a fire pit and a great view of the Columbus downtown skyline. We do also have a gym on site that is 24/7 access. This gym comes equipped with machines as well as free weights. The Julian also offers additional amenities. One is that we work with a dry cleaning service that will pick up and drop off in a secured closet, and the other is our secured bike locker. Thank you for touring the Julian building with me. If you'd like to check out any specific floor plans, please feel free to check out our other videos or visit our website, linked down below. See you next time.